Procedure to change your settings on the edge comp box from a 1999 Dodge Cummins. When your buttons don't work, there's a way to change your settings. This has to be done in the truck with the power hooked up and the key on, but for the demonstration we're going to do it inside. So first step is you unplug it from the truck side connection, and you take a 1/16 Allen key, take this, loose up the screen, then pop your this back plate off, back face plate. Careful with it, but it pops off. You're then going to slide the whole unit, pushing from the connection point, slide the whole unit forward out of the box. You would then rehook it up to the truck, and then use these connection points down here, which is your ribbon cable connection, to jump it. In order to jump it, you need a multimeter set to ohms. You want to take your red lead, and you want to touch, well, basically this is your source, 12 volt power, and these are your switches. Far left is your power, middle is your left button, right is your right button. So in order to make these switches work, you hold to constant 12 power, and you would tap the other buttons to activate, just momentarily, to function it like a switch. In order to go into the boost settings, you would hold the far left switch for a few seconds, and the screen will display what, like normal. This helps when your buttons have failed, but it can be done to basically set the settings on what you want. When you're done with that, you unplug it, reinstall it into the front of the edge case, slide your faceplate back on, be careful doing this. Oh, mine's too tight. Line your Allen key screws back up, tighten them down, and reinstall into the truck. Like I said, this helps if your buttons are fixed, but prevents you from using on-the-fly tuning. Thanks for watching.